Are hotels losing their dominance in Lagos, or are shortlet apartments simply creating a new way to stay? In today's episode, we explore one big question. Is shortlet replacing hotels in Lagos? Just before we dive in, if you have not liked or subscribed, make sure you do so to get more of these kinds of videos. Let's dive in. Over the last few years, Lagos has seen an explosion of shortlet apartments. From Lekki to Ikoyi, Victoria Island to Aja, fully furnished apartments are now listed daily for business travelers, diaspora visitors, weekend guests, and so on. The shortlet apartments offer full apartments instead of single rooms, kitchens and living room, privacy, flexible bookings, and in many cases, they cost less than a hotel suite. This flexibility has fueled massive growth, but hotels are not fading quietly. They still dominate in corporate bookings, conferences and events, 2-4 concierge and hospitality staff, and for many executive and multinationals, hotels remain the default choice. Now, from a real estate perspective, the shift is even more interesting. Shortlets, they require furnishing and management and can generate strong cash flow if occupancy is high, but are vulnerable to seasonal dips. While hotels, they require heavy capital, operate under licensing and regulation, and depend on consistent occupancy and branding. In simple words, shortlets have lower entry barrier, while hotels, they have institutional backing. So, is shortlet replacing hotels? Not exactly. The shortlet is not killing the hotel business. Rather, it is capturing a different type of customer. Younger travelers, remote workers, families, short-stay lifestyle users. But hotels still dominate in corporate travels, events, and structured hospitality. It's more about which experience the guest wants. Are you thinking of venturing into the apartment business and you need a guide? Reach out to me via the number showing on the screen, and I'll be willing to offer my services.